Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: A comprehensive guide to using FTPs in Python with the ftplib module. Introduction. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, is a standard network protocol used to transfer files from one host to another over a TCP-based network, such as the Internet. FTPs, FTP Secure, is an extension of FTP that adds support for encryption, making it a more secure option for transferring files. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the ftplib module in Python to implement FTPs and securely transfer files between a client and server. Table of Contents. What is FTPs? Python's ftplib module. Setting up a secure FTPs connection. Uploading and downloading files. Handling errors and exceptions. Conclusion. What is FTPs? FTPs is an extension of the FTP protocol that adds security by encrypting the data and authentication processes. It uses SSL/TLS protocols to provide confidentiality and integrity during file transfers. FTPs is often used when security is a top priority, such as when transferring sensitive data. Python's ftplib module. Python's standard library includes the ftplib module, which provides the necessary tools to work with FTP and FTPs servers. To use the ftplib module, you need to import it in your Python script. In this example, replace ftp.example.com username and password with your server's host name, username, and password, respectively. Replace local_file.txt and remote_file.txt with your local and remote file paths, respectively. You can catch specific exceptions like ftplib.error_perm for permission errors or ftplib.error_reply for server replies. ChatGPT.